Okay, we're here, we're live. Let's add also the Twitch. Boom. Okay. Now we're live everywhere. Is that right? Boom. Oh. Okay, now we're live. Okay, now we're live. Boom. Okay, we have 5 minutes until the New York Open, and yeah, I would say it's very curious on what's up, what is going to be. Okay, there we don't really need it. We're still trapping the sellers, huh? Are we live? Yeah, we are live. Okay. We got some news actually 20 minutes ago. Iran should end the war now. Iranian president. Okay, that's something. I guess that's something. 4 minutes still open. Okay. Okay, that we don't need anymore. Okay, we have a lot of sellers. On the 4-hour candle, on 1-hour candle, on 15-minute. Damn. But we still have no volume, huh? And now the volume should come right in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We should have volume coming in. What's up with our Twitch? Okay. Whatever it means. Boom. 1 minute till open. 1 minute till open. Okay, let's see what's up. 1 minute until open. Wow, I'm really curious how it's gonna go. Let's prepare our order. Boom, already some move, no? Let's look at 1 minute. Well, I actually think that we might go like that. I really think so. I mean, if we're gonna go like that, it's CME play. Okay, 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 some volume coming in. Okay, how we close the hour? We closed, I think bullish, yeah, with trap sellers. Boom, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. It is going to go up. Okay, we might go like that. Spike. Or yeah, or just down. Or down. Or like that. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. But yeah, the volume coming in. Slowly, slowly the volume is coming in. Okay. Boom. Red one. Okay, let's put our stop loss on 94. Okay. 45.94. Boom. We pushing down, pushing down. Yeah, the DXY is coming down as well, so I don't know. We have all the signs to go up. All the signs are showing us up. Here, okay, here actually we're having trap buyers. Trap sellers. Trap sellers. Yeah, pushing down. Boom. Candle up. We're still in position? We are in the position. Okay, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Boom. 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 Yeah, hello. Okay, 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 volume coming in. Look at that, look at that. 1 minute since open, it's already the candle the before. That fast, that fast. Okay, boom, boom. Now it should fly. There's no like, it should fly. Okay, we struggle, but the volume coming in, the green one. Trap sellers, trap sellers. We observe the sellers from this candle. Boom, accumulating the volume. 2 minutes since the open. The volume is the same as the candle before. Well, it's also the Friday, you know, so we might not get a strong push as we want. Okay, now we're going down. Yeah, the euphoria bomb. Up, down, up, down. If we're gonna go down, yeah, we should have like that. But also we have the news that Iran president wants to stop the war. I mean, that's a big news for the gold. I mean, it's a bearish news for the gold, pretty bearish. Again, okay, tripping buyers. Okay, okay, now we're pushing down. Okay, we might be out of position right now. Okay, we out. Okay, okay. Easy, we can push back up. Easy, easy, because of the sellers. Okay, okay. Already spike of the volume is now. Okay, if we push down, the next zone to look for is POC and the previous day of POC, that zone right here. And that's the zones, yeah, where you can look for longs. Because overall we're pretty bullish. There's nothing stopping us to push higher. And especially if the XY right now is going to retrace from that level, because clearly here we have some level. Easy push up, easy. Yeah, it's 50-50. It's a 50-50. The volume is green. Sharp sellers. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna give it a try again. We're gonna do it long. Okay. Well, the volume is relatively slow. Okay. It doesn't look certain in any way. In both ways, it's fucked up. I mean, there's no certainty. At the New York Open, there's not much volume. I mean, okay, it's a Friday, but still no volume, and the news is fucking bearish for the gold. Is bearish, come on. If the Iranian president said that Iran should end the war now, there's no strength with the world acknowledging its victory. A lot uncertainty, a lot. Yeah, I think we're just gonna range. It's a range. Nothing happening, no volume. Friday, no news, no volume. It's a range. It's a range. Boom, the volume. Here it is, baby, here it is. Here's the volume. What's up with the news? Basse doubles down, dollar slumps, but rates little changed. But that has nothing to do market pushing against the US. Recently issued Japanese investors themselves buy foreign assets. Okay, that's actually bearish for the dollar. No, it's bullish for the gold. We just bought 30 foreign assets in 2 weeks around us. Yeah, okay, it's bearish for dollar. It's bullish for gold. What's up? Why do we have this inverse? Yeah, I think it's actually because of the sellers. Like they tried to push the price down, but we still observe them. 2.8, 2.9, okay, same. Well, it might be easy formation right now. It might be CME play. It actually looks like it. We have accumulation, manipulation, expansion. If it's going to be exactly this way, boom. Okay, we observing the sellers. Come on, baby, come on. Double the size of the previous candle. And we observing the sellers. Boom, you see? We observing the sellers. Okay, yeah, okay. Fuck it, let's scalp. We might push up. Because we observing the sellers. We observing the sellers, and okay, let's have a tight stop loss. So it's basically a scalp, like really scalp trade. 88, 45, 88. Wait, too much of this shit. Too much. Why? We have at 88 right here. But still, we're observing the sellers. Yeah, they try to push the price down, but we're observing them. Now you see, observing. Boom, we're pushing higher. So the gold is actually holding up. The DXY is also holding up, but the DXY should go down because the news are bearish for DXY. What's up? Absorption. Come on, yalla, what's up? Yeah, we're still observing. Look at that. Okay. You see? What did I say? Okay, it's only small candle, but okay, but at least something, you see? Okay, we still observing them more and more. Okay. So we entered the trade on the stream, boom, already a candle. Because we observing the sellers big way. On the New York Open, we push down, boom, observing the sellers. Now we're pushing higher. I put a really tight stop loss, but I think, yeah, the take profit, I would say to retest these highs of the London session. Yeah, it still can push any time. Can still push any time down, because yeah, also the news is bearish for the dollar, but DXY is holding up, and the dollar just now the gold just now reacting because it's really bullish for the gold and really bearish for the DXY. And you see, observing the sellers now, pushing even higher. Yeah, we should push higher. We should push higher. We should push higher. Okay, we'll see. We have a tight stop loss. Yeah, I think we target the highs of the London session. There's a really big chance that we hit it. Okay, seller stepping in. Slowly stepping in. Here, absorption. Okay, let's see. Slowly, piano. I think we have an easy time. At that Twitch thing, so much stuff here. Уровень автомат, по умолчанию изменен. Журнал действий, чат, вау. Ой, тут песня, Oof. Yeah, okay, now we're going down again, but motherfucker. What else can I say? Come on. I really believe we should push higher. Yeah, because everything looks higher. Everything is bullish now. At this moment, boom, again, observing the sellers. Look at that. We're pushing down, but we observe the sellers. Of course, we might trap them. Boom, strong candle down, bam.
You're trying to tell me that.
Come on.
You've never heard of this?
Okay, actually, yeah, the sellers might be a bit stronger than the buyers. Look at that candle. Even though we have full green volume, but we push lower. So yeah, it's trapping buyers actually.
About this thing. What it is.
Thing. Oof.
You've never heard
This thing.
what it is.
Thing.
About this thing.
We're pushing really strongly down. Strong down push. Yeah, I don't really know if I should move my stop loss because you see the dollar is pushing higher. Yeah, dollar seems strong. We break up this
You're trying to tell me that
small level that we had here, right here. We just broke it above.
that you don't remember that we met in the past.
Yeah, I mean, we will see now. Okay, we might be out of position. Yeah, we're out of
That you've
position.
never heard about this thing.
Yeah, but still, it's not enough.
Going around.
It's not enough of the volume.
Spinning in circles.
New York Open, boom, it's candles like this, you know? We fly in both directions. And that, goddamn, the news are bullish for the gold. It's bullish for the gold.
The thing is right there. In front of you. This thing.
Okay, if we get to POC, it's also good. It's a good way. It's a good point to actually re-enter. It is, and especially if we see on order flow, like right now now we have observed a lot of buyers. If we look now from this kind of perspective, now all this
What it is. Thing.
is liquidity for us to push lower.
You've never heard of this thing. What it is. Thing. About this thing.
Okay.
What it is. Thing. Understand the thing. Be about the thing. You are the thing that is needed by the thing. So everything is everything. And everything
Okay, we will see. I mean, now it's really uncertain because I know it's the price action is tricky. We trapped the sellers, we pushed up, but just a little bit. Now we trap the buyers, we push down, and we have huge absorption of the sellers. You see? You see how much we push it down, but still we observe the sellers. So we have a lot of buyers right now, and we keep pushing lower. Even though the dollar now is actually struggling to push upper, it's struggling, and we do what here? We push lower. So yeah, the inversion is fucked up right now. Because what? If the DXY goes up, the dollar goes down. I mean, okay, we're getting to POC actually. Okay, this is the first zone of interest, and this is the second one. It's the POC of the previous day and the POC of that structure push, of that momentum push. Okay, it looks like a decent pullback. Yeah, this is gonna be actually a good zone to re-enter the trade. It is, we just touched it. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, we just touched it, we reacted from it. Look at that, dang. Look at that. Look at that, oh my god. Exactly, like, okay, not exactly, just like, yeah, no, it's the same dollar. We touched it and bam, we reacted. And now we see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, boom, look at that, look at that, look at that amount of sellers. Boom, boom, shaka boom. Okay, that candle, a lot of volume actually. Because we still have 7 minutes to close it, it's more volume than the previous one. What about 5-minute chart? Okay, 5 minutes, yeah, a lot of sellers, a lot of sellers.
We
Well,
are a
that one,
different breed.
still a lot of sellers, a lot of sellers.
We're a different movement, a different genre.
Well, okay, now it looks
Our house,
bearish, but still, oh my god, look at that, look at that. Trap buyers, look at them. And now it's a moment of the truth. How we're gonna react from this POC? Are we gonna break it down? Or are we gonna actually react, form some kind of manipulation here, boom, and go up? Because the dollar here is on a resistance. Look at that, it's on a resistance now. If now it's gonna struggle, boom, we go up. We're not gonna touch
music
this
is
one.
first, the dance
Any
is
news
second,
now? Come on, dude.
and the
Mashallah.
DJ is third. We repay our DJ when he lights us up with energy.
Boom. Okay.
We give
Okay,
back
touch
our
this
DJ
POC. Okay.
our
But look at that reaction. Oh my god, look at
we
that.
call sweat,
Look how precise it is. Okay.
and sometimes
$1 away.
expression.
But that's crazy actually how these levels react. Crazy. I mean how it works.
Everybody movement,
So precise. And now we actually managed to hold up.
hand-clapping gestures,
Now we managed to hold up.
or we
What's up
yell
here?
with joy.
3.4. More volume than the previous
When
one.
the music
1 hour
touches
lost
us
up.
in a certain
Okay.
way.
Yeah, it's uncertain. It's uncertain. A lot of buyers and a lot of sellers at the same time.
We don't throw objects at our own just so
Okay.
that they can get into
Okay.
it or feel a certain way about it. Because the music speaks, and the music
Okay.
is what's supposed to move you. No need for obstacles.
Okay, we're gonna break this POC. God damn, look at that, look at that. What's up?
Get into it.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh!
That's not how this
Oh,
began.
but okay, that might be a fake out, but that's a goddamn strong reaction.
There were no big bright
Strong
lights.
absorption, strong.
It was a big dark
Boom, look at that. Damn,
vibe.
damn, look at that.
A system,
Crazy.
a sound system that brought the music to life.
Damn, what a reaction. Oh my
It
god,
was
oh my
filled with
god.
people who enjoyed the same style and the same music.
Yeah, still a lot of sellers will struggle to
All
break it.
treated themselves like a family.
A lot of
when they were
sellers,
in
a
the
lot of
room.
sellers. But look at that reaction, oh my god, the POC of the structural push, crazy. Is it that push?
Nothing
Yeah,
more,
it's that
nothing
push.
less.
Okay, what if we take the range of today?
Our genre's
What about it?
different than any genre
Yeah,
out
it's a
there.
bit more down, the same as the
It is
last
the
push.
root of all of this.
And here, yeah, the same volume. That's basically the same thing.
A movement that they call house music. Since the 80s, that music still continues today, and the roots are still alive. The roots of it still remain.
Okay, actually we're holding up. We're holding up.
But what was once in the city is now global.
We are holding up.
And there are those who don't really know what it is and trying to capitalize, but they can't. And they're the true, organic people who can see right through it. Because it don't give you that same feeling, that same pleasure, that same vibe.
Okay.
You can't fake that.
Okay. Yeah, but still it's uncertain.
Because sometimes things aren't meant to be explained. It's meant to be felt. And this genre has gone through changes.
Who cares?
But even through all
Even there's one person watching, mashallah,
still
mashallah.
remains the same.
Absorption, look at that, look at that. Look at that, more volume coming in, green one. Boom, the druggle strikes.
And its roots will remain
The
forever.
dollar struggling to break the structure.
So never be afraid to express what you love, express what you feel. Especially when you're in your house.
No, I think we're gonna break it down. We are gonna break it down. Even if the DXY goes down, still we don't have a strength now and we don't have enough volume. We have relatively small volume, just the same as open candle. And of course it's a Friday today.
Read my lips, my eyes, your fingertips on my mind. Don't do this, don't try. You can't resist, you can't deny. And it's cool if you like. It's never too soon, I'm never too far. I want to know if you hide. It's all in your hands. It's all on you. If it feels good, no need to fight it. If it feels so good,
Boom, we're breaking it. Boom. Yeah, I mean, it looked like we're gonna break it. Okay, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. Okay, even lower. What's up? Even lower. Bam. Trapping this. Ui. What? And making back in one piece. This. Make it back in one piece. We're trapping a lot of sellers. A lot of sellers. A lot. A lot. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oof. 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 Damn, look at that. My girl made me homemade cheese cottage. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Still flying them German whips, still getting rich 'cause the grind don't stop. I heard niggas don't like me a lot, had to keep to myself, but I buy me a clock. I'm inside, I don't rise it a lot. Hands off, I just line it and what? This watch that I buy for a lot, I'm clean, but I still don't buy no time. There's too much grub on the ends, had to up and leave, had to rise that line.
Yeah, okay, we push down. We push lower. But at any moment we can just fly higher.
Bare trees got enough on my line, bare smoke but enough in the air. Guy pulling my
Okay. Okay, the next area of interest.
bro still got it, no we don't step clean. This work with my fingers green, she twerk with my ting just lean.
That point exactly, right here.
Thing I ain't new, put me on the screen.
That point right here.
I'm out in Paris, need more links for the white Harry. I mash work gladly. I like bad ones, baddies, anti. Ask how I stay cold in the summer, how I bag that snow, put that on a runner. Press that I ain't using a rubber. No tax income undercover. Trap talk, man, I do this proper. You know I'm on. Push that work, man, I know all the youths and shotters. I get it, it's gone, gone, gone. Rats get that.
Oi, oi, look at that. Oh my god.
So I'm stretching it long. Big back, so she's stretching the
Yeah, if we're gonna push it right here, I'm gonna open the limiter. Oof. Oof. Look at that. Actually, it's really nice setup if you see that kind of stuff. You open the short, and that's exactly what happened. Exactly. And usually this area, we fly by it because here's no volume. Look at that. No volume. Boom. And right here, you see, we made little volume. Okay, we stopped it here. Boom. Alright, that actually looks good. That looks good. Damn, that was a good setup. Why wouldn't I trade it, huh? Why wouldn't I trade it? Am I pussy? I don't think so. Look at that. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see it through the camera. Homemade cottage cheese from my girlfriend. Homemade. Then some honey, some almonds, banana, Brazil nut, and bee pollen. Crazy. Oh my god, crazy stuff. Okay, we're still pushing lower, huh? Boom. Yeah, we're pushing lower. Look at it, look at it. Okay, this is the zone where I open the long. But we need more trap sellers. We need a bit more trap sellers. Because now it's just trap buyers. Look at that, how many buyers stepping in. Look at that, and more volume. Volume is increasing, more buyers stepping in. We're about to touch the VWAP as well. 1 hour is the same. Nothing much happening, nothing much happening. Boom, 4 hours is actually really nice. A lot of trap buyers. It's 50-50 in both ways, 50-50. Let's see what's our hedge system tells us. Long, long, short, short. What's the event bid? Commerce Bank. The Warriors. Boom, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Bam, how these levels are working. Oh my god, look here, how we touched it, retested, bam, break it down. The same here. Crazy, crazy. Oh my god, how does it work? Sometimes I'm shocked by how precise these levels are working. I'm just shocked. Oh my god. Crazy. Talking to myself. Okay. Boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy. Уф, бля, просто пиздец. Просто, ну. Boom. Okay, small scalp, bam. Small scalp. Shot 8, 68. 45, 68, bam. Reaction from the VWAP. Yeah, we push it higher. Bam! Take profit. Bam! Mashallah. Yeah, actually we might push higher. We might push higher. I think to here easy 45.70. Let's go. Let's go. 45.70. Look at that. Bam. What did I say? What did I say? Bam, absorption. Actually, we might even go right here. We might test this thing again. Look, no volume here. Boom, we can fly through the zone. Fly. Up and down. Easy. Easy. Boom. Look at that. We can easily fly up. Easily, I think it might be CME. Might be CME easy. Easy. See? E. Easily it can be. Easily. Easy. It might be. We shouldn't close the long thing. Well, I have a feeling that we might push it really high. Bam. Bam. Look at that. That said that no people watching, huh? Could have made money, but you're not. Okay, easy. Slowly. We're gonna make everything. Боже мой, Аня, просто, ну, это что-то с чем-то. Я настолько вкусный, я еще творог 100 лет не ел, боже мой, такой кайф вообще. Haydi. Easy, we can push up, easy. Oh no, I have a feeling that we can push up. Just like yesterday, the same pattern, the same goddamn pattern. Okay, for today I think we're done. I'm going to sauna. Okay, we entered the good position on the stream. Right now we're sitting in plus. We break down the structure on POC, DXY shooting up. Now we actually touched the POC of the previous day, of the previous structural push. And now we're pushing higher. That might be CME play, just the same that we saw yesterday. The same, bam, manipulation, bam, extension. It looks like the same thing, also the same thing on order flow. We have a lot of trap buyers, a lot, and that's a good liquidity. We have a lot of trap buyers, a lot. That's liquidity to push lower, but actually right now we're gathering some sellers. And we're just waiting for them to jump more into ship, and then boom, easy, we can push up. Okay, and I think for now that's all. We're gonna put our stop loss on our point of entrance. We're gonna put our take profit on the highs of the London session. We will see what's up. Now we're gonna go to sauna, and actually my girl made me some home cottage cheese. I will put the photo right now. It's amazing, oh my god. Far away from home, when you get like homemade cottage cheese, it's amazing. And yeah, we had a first stream on the Twitch, yeah. And now we're gonna go more and more in streams. Okay, now we're about to touch POC, the point of control of that structural push. We're sitting in plus in the small one, of course, is the same just for coffee. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put the stop loss right on the point of entrance and take profit here. Okay. Let's go to sauna, I will show you around there. Liaio! Wow. Mashkenaka. Bam. Também no samba. Que sabe tu bismo. Bam, okay, now look at that, look at the candle. Bam, going up. Okay, now we're pushing up. Look at that, what's up? Okay, we're pushing up. We might get all of our sellers from that zone. We'll break them. Look at that. Boom, strong green candle. Strong. Good volume coming in. I just opened it. Good volume coming in. Slowly. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Now it looks bullish. We're gonna have some resistance here, 100%, like 1000%. Yeah, we're gonna have some resistance here at POC. I believe we're gonna push higher. Okay, let's put our stop loss. Okay, and our stop loss 46. Okay, let's put it a bit lower because we might sweep down easy. Yeah, we might sweep so low. Okay, we're pushing really good. I don't know, something inside of me makes me want to close it right now and not playing it right now. Yeah, because we have $7 for a deposit of 228, which makes it about how much? Not 5, yeah, about 5%. I mean, it's a lot, 5%. If we look in conservative way, and that should be enough. Okay, now we have some resistance right here. What about order flow? It's green, but there is not much volume. Yeah, I think we're gonna cut it here. Okay. Yeah, actually I think I'm gonna cut it here because we don't really have that much of the volume coming in. Now again the seller is stepping back. We have the pull down bomb. Okay, let's get on. Okay, so we secured ourselves for a cup of coffee. It's enough. Slowly. Okay, streams. Peace out. All the best to you. Subscribe, huh? I'm gonna make much more. Today we earned for about 3 cups of coffee.